Mother Nature have given us so much, what we have given to her. Harmed ecosystems, extinction of animals and loss of air. Oh well, it is not fair. Cutting down trees but not planting one. Then who can keep us cool in this rising sun? Without trees it is impossible to survive on earth. Our health is deteriorating due to increasing pollution and dust. Why environment is not our concern? What legacy are we leaving behind for our daughter and our son?
Look what we have done to our Mother Nature. Not a pretty sight, right? Well, definitely not. But it has been rightly said that we need to bring change, first with the man in the mirror. So yes, I have promised myself that I will plant a tree every year. So look around, because greenery looks way better than what you have seen right now in this video. So take an initiative, baby step towards our nature. Thank you.